How much longer before my turn, sir? I have been waiting for hours already. My tired bones can't take it anymore. Patience, old man. You are next in the queue. But before you go inside, you must give me 5 gold coins. 5 gold coins? Whatever for? To enter the court, old man, everybody who wishes to meet the emperor must pay these dues. What dues? I have never heard of such nonsense. I refuse to pay you anything. Come on now. Stop being stubborn. These rules are not set by me. This is how the system works. What system? I haven't heard of any such system set by the emperor. I shall take you to a head guard who will explain the system to you. Come along with me now. Sir, this old man refuses to pay the charges for entering the court.
Look, old man, you must pay for my guards to allow you to enter.
Why should I pay anything to you? How can you charge me for a meeting with the emperor?
Look, sir, as you have noticed, there are hundreds of people waiting outside to meet the emperor. It's not possible to allow everybody to enter the court. Those who wish so must pay the charges.
You call this fair? This is cheating. I refuse to pay anything to you.
In that case, you cannot enter. Guards, ensure that this man does not meet the emperor.
Sir, there is an old man waiting to meet you.
To meet me? Please bring him inside.
Greetings, Raja Birbal.
What can I do for you?
You alone can help me out of this situation, sir. My name is Ramdev. I am a poor folk singer. Having heard of the emperor's ears for music, I have travelled all the way from Rajasthan to present some of my compositions to him. But when I went to meet him at the palace the other day,
So that's how the guards have been cheating poor innocent people. I must do something about this. Don't worry. Ramdevji, you shall soon get to present your compositions to the emperor.
thank you, sir. I knew I could count on you.
Excuse me, sir. I'm here to meet the great Emperor Akbar.
So is everybody else here, old man. Before you go inside, you have to pay me 5 gold coins.
5 gold coins. I'm a poor man, sir. I don't even have the money to buy food. How can I give you such a big amount?
If you don't have any money, old man, then stop wasting my time and leave right now.
Please help me, sir. I'm a poor man. Can I pay your charges later?
Ah. Let me take you to the head guard and see what he has to say.
Old man, you must pay up if you want to meet the emperor. That is the system we follow here.
But I don't have any money, sir.
Then stop wasting our time, old man. There are hundreds of people waiting to meet the emperor.
I have a suggestion. The emperor will surely be happy with my compositions and reward me. I will share half of that reward with you. Will that do?
Half of the reward, is it? That seems fine. Guards, let him meet the emperor. Make sure that he shares half of his reward with us.
Thank you, sir. You're very kind. Greetings, Your Majesty. I come from the land of Rajasthan with songs specially composed in Your Majesty's honor.
Welcome, Ramdev ji.
मैया थारो राम बसे कीण गाम मैया थारो राम बसे कीण गाम मारो राम रमैयो रे वे घट घट माय कोटा बरियो इतरो ही जाने ओटा बरियो इतरो ही जाने
Very well done, Ramdev ji. That was a beautiful rendition. I'm very pleased. Tell me, what reward would you like?
Thank you, Your Majesty. I request you to reward me with 100 whiplashes.
100 whiplashes? Why do you want to get whipped, man? I want to reward you with gold coins, jewelry, and you are asking for 100 whiplashes? Very strange. Are you sure that's what you want, Ramdev ji?
I'm very sure, Your Majesty.
All right then, if you so insist. God, grant Ramdev ji his wish.
Wait. I would first like to call the person whom I have promised to share the reward with.
Share the reward? What are you saying?
Your Majesty, allow me to explain. Since I couldn't pay 5 gold coins to the head guard as charges for meeting you, I promised the head guard to share half of my reward with him.
Summon the head guard.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
How dare you cheat the people of my kingdom like this? Guards, throw this man into the dungeon and let him starve to death. As for the rest of the guards who have been part of the system, I banish them from my kingdom.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Birbal, you may remove your disguise now. That was indeed a good way of teaching these cheats a lesson. I knew it had to be you. Bravo. Very well done.
Thank you, Your Majesty. I would now request to present to you the real folk singer Ramdev ji, who has come all the way from Rajasthan to meet you. If it were not for him, I wouldn't have known about these cheats.
Please invite him, Birbal. I would like to hear the original Ramdev ji now. And this time I shall not reward him with whiplashes.
Long live Akbar! Long live Birbal! Long live Akbar!